You've heard the whispers. Deep in the urban sprawl, a mysterious door appears in a hidden alley, but only when it rains. You see it, an ornate, ancient door where yesterday was just a brick wall. When the rain stops, the door vanishes. The archive's file warns it's not just a portal, it's a test, a lure. What's behind it? A new reality? An empty void? One thing is certain, if you find it, do not open the door.